Hello, everyone. Before starting, put the world that are practically begging people to move there, ready for an adventure. Buckle up. Speed up the pace as needed. If you don't have time to watch it, just listen this video as a podcast while doing something else. Now listen and learn English as exploring our world. Today, we're not giving away any money. Just kidding. We're always giving away money. But this time, it's not us. We're talking about places around the world that are practically begging people to move there, and they're willing to pay you big bucks to do it. I'm talking thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars just to pack your bags and call their town home. Imagine getting paid to live in a beautiful new place, experiencing a different culture, maybe even learning a new language. It's like hitting the jackpot, but instead of winning money, you're winning a whole new life. So if you're tired of the same old routine and ready for an adventure, buckle up! We're about to dive into the top 10 places that will actually pay you to live there. Let's do it! Now, Candela, Italy. Kicking off our list is the charming town of Candela, Italy. Nestled in Puglia, Candela is a picturesque medieval town with a shrinking population. The mayor offers cash incentives to attract new residents. Single people can get up to €800, couples $1,200, and families $2,000. Enjoy a relaxed lifestyle, delicious cuisine, and the Mediterranean sun. Sounds like a sweet deal, right? Coming in at number 9 is the idyllic village of Albinen. Leave a small fortune just for packing your bags and calling this picture. You wake up to the breathtaking view of the Swiss Alps. The air is crisp and clean, and the sound of cowbells echoes through the valley. Albinen is a tiny mountain village with a population of just around 240 people. Albinen is willing to pay a hefty sum to entice you to move there. 25,000 Swiss francs per adult and 10,000 francs per child. You could receive a small fortune just for packing your bags and calling this picturesque village home. Talk about a life-changing opportunity. All right, coming in at number 8, we're heading to Ponga, Spain. Culture and financial stability. Ponga gives you both. I'm moving to Ponga, but if I was looking for a place to settle, pay you to live there. I'm talking straight up cash just for being there. They're serious about boosting their population, especially when it comes to families. So, if you've been thinking about a change of pace, maybe starting a family, or just want to learn some Spanish, Ponga is calling your name. And the best part? You don't have to choose between exploring a new culture and financial stability. Ponga gives you both. It's like hitting the jackpot, but instead of a giant check, you get a whole new life in a beautiful Spanish village. Now let's talk numbers. Ponga's offering a sweet deal of €3,000. That's over $3,000 for each couple that moves there. And get this, they'll even throw in an extra €3,000 for every child born while you're living there. That's right, they're practically paying you to raise a family in paradise. I'm not saying I'm moving to Ponga, but if I was looking for a place to settle down, raise some kids, and maybe learn how to flamenco dance, Ponga would be at the top of my list. Seriously, can you imagine telling your friends and family, yeah, we're moving to Spain. They're paying us to be there. They'd probably think you won the lottery, and in a way, you did. You won the lottery of finding an awesome place to live. Next up at number 7, we're diving into the crystal life you've always dreamed of. Imagine you can truly become part of the community. Paradise with ancient history, stunning beaches, and a community that welcomes you with open arms. Antikythera is looking for a few good people, well, more than a few, to call their island home. They're facing a population decline, and they're not messing around when it comes to attracting new residents. We're talking about a chance to live the island life you've always dreamed of. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore, spending your days exploring ancient ruins, and enjoying fresh seafood every night. But here's the kicker. They're not just asking you to move to this paradise. They're offering you land, a monthly stipend, and a whole lot more. Yeah, you heard that right, free land. They're serious about making Antikythera feel like home. They'll even help you find a job so you can truly become part of the community. We're talking about a life-changing opportunity to escape the hustle and bustle and embrace a slower, more meaningful way of living. Imagine telling your friends, yeah, I'm moving to a Greek island. They're giving me land and paying me to be there. They'll probably be hitting you up for a place to stay once they see how incredible your life is. Alright, for number 6, we're heading to the heartland of America. Good reason. They're offering you cold, hard cash to help you find a place to live and introduce you to a community, because this city is full of surprises. We're talking a thriving arts and culture scene, delicious food. Ever had Oklahoma barbecue? Trust me, it's next level, and a cost of living that won't break the bank. Now, Tulsa's all about attracting talented and ambitious people like you. They've got this awesome program called Tulsa Remote, and it's making headlines for a good reason. They're offering you cold, hard cash to relocate and experience everything Tulsa has to offer. And we're not talking about a few measly bucks, we're talking a life-changing amount of money. They're giving you a whopping $10,000 to relocate to Tulsa. That's right, 10,000 reasons to pack your bags and head to the Sooner State. This isn't a loan, it's not a gimmick. It's free money just for choosing to make Tulsa your new home. And it gets even better. They'll also hook you up with co-working space, help you find a place to live, and introduce you to a community of other awesome people who made the move. So, if you're ready for a change of pace, a chance to pursue your passions, and a whole lot of cash in your pocket, Tulsa is calling. Plus, you can finally use the phrase Oklahoma, where the wind comes sweeping down the plain without feeling weird. Now Saskatchewan, Canada. We're back with a new place. That's like winning the lottery, but from a recognized post-secondary institution within the lags, and get ready to experience the beauty of Saskatchewan. Saskatchewan is looking to attract new residents, and they're putting their money where their mouth is. If you're a recent graduate in a high-demand field, you could be eligible for up to $20,000 to help cover your student loan debt. That's insane. Imagine paying off your student loans just by living in a new place. That's like winning the lottery, but instead of a giant check, you get to experience the awesome Canadian prairies. So if you're tired of the same old routine and want to explore a new place with stunning landscapes and friendly people, Saskatchewan might be the perfect place for you. Plus, you can finally escape your student loans. Now, before you pack your bags and head north, there are a few things you need to know. To be eligible for the Graduate Retention Program, you need to have graduated from a recognized post-secondary institution within the last 7 years. You also need to have student loan debt from that institution and be employed in a high-demand occupation in Saskatchewan. But hey, with a little research and planning, it's totally doable. Think about it, $20,000 is a lot of money. You could use that money to travel, start a business, or even just invest it and watch it grow. The possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Start packing your bags and get ready to experience the beauty of Saskatchewan, all while getting paid to do it. Alright guys, we're down to number 4 on our list, and this one. Imagine launching your dream business in a vibe to the Andes Mountains and vibrant cities like Santiago. It's a country that truly has it all. Chile has this awesome program called Startup Chile, which provides equity-free grants and an amazing support network for entrepreneurs from around the world. We're talking about up to $40,000 in funding, a 1-year visa, and access to a network of mentors, investors, and other entrepreneurs. Imagine launching your dream business in a vibrant, supportive environment with stunning scenery and delicious food. That's what Startup Chile offers. So if you've got a killer business idea and you're ready to take it to the next level, Chile might be the perfect place for you. Get ready to join a community of innovators and change the world, one startup at a time. But wait, there's more. Chile isn't just for entrepreneurs. The country also offers incredible natural beauty, from the Atacama Desert to the Andes Mountains, and vibrant cities like Santiago and Valparaiso. Plus, the cost of living in Chile is relatively affordable, especially compared to other South American countries. You can enjoy a high quality of life without breaking the bank. Think about it. Exploring ancient ruins in the morning, hitting the slopes in the afternoon, and enjoying a delicious seafood dinner with a view of the Pacific Ocean. That's the Chilean life. So even if you're not an entrepreneur, Chile still has something to offer. It's a country that truly has it all. Natural beauty, cultural richness, and a welcoming atmosphere. Check it out. Alright guys, we're getting down to the wire. It offers an incredible quality of life for those who love sunny, perfect for exploring all that Alaska has to offer. Alaska offers a unique and unforgettable, but trust me, it's worth it. Alaska has this thing called the Permanent Fund Dividend, where every resident gets a yearly share of the state's oil revenue. We're talking about a couple $1,000s just for living there. Imagine the possibilities. But it's not just about the money. Alaska offers an incredible quality of life for those who love the outdoors. Think hiking, fishing, skiing, wildlife watching. You name it, Alaska's got it. So if you're looking for an adventure and a chance to live in one of the most beautiful places on Earth, Alaska might just be calling your name. Plus, who wouldn't want free money every year? Now I know what you're thinking. Alaska is cold. And yeah, it can get chilly, but that's part of the charm. Plus, the summers are surprisingly warm and sunny, perfect for exploring all that Alaska has to offer. And don't worry, Alaska isn't just about wilderness. They've got vibrant cities like Anchorage and Juneau with thriving arts and culture scenes. You can find everything you need for a comfortable and fulfilling life. Think about it. Imagine watching the northern lights dance across the sky while sipping hot cocoa by a crackling fire. Or maybe you're more of a dog sledding enthusiast, racing through snowy landscapes with a team of huskies. Alaska offers a unique and unforgettable experience that you won't find anywhere else. So pack your warmest coat and get ready to experience the magic of the last frontier. Coming in at number 2 now, and it is Vermont, and bringing in new talent. And the best part? That's a small price to pay for getting paid to live in a place like amazing mountains and syrup. Yeah, that one. Vermont is known for its natural beauty, but did you know they're also known for giving out cash? It's true. They've got this cool program where they'll actually pay you to move there and work remotely. I'm talking about thousands of dollars, people. They want more people working remotely from their state, boosting the economy, and bringing in new talent. And the best part? Vermont is just a gorgeous place to live. Imagine waking up to those mountain views, sipping your coffee, and knowing you're getting paid to live in paradise. That's the Vermont life, baby. Now I know what you're thinking. What's the catch? Well, there's not really a catch. You just gotta meet a few requirements. You need to be employed full-time with a company outside of Vermont, and you gotta become a full-time resident. But honestly, that's a small price to pay for getting paid to live in a place like Vermont. Think about it. Skiing in the winter, hiking in the summer, maple syrup, everything. Plus, Vermont is known for its friendly people, its delicious food, and its laid-back lifestyle. It's like taking a break from the craziness of the world, but still having a kick-ass job and making bank. So, if you're looking for a change of pace, a chance to live in a beautiful place and get paid for it, Vermont is calling your name. All right, guys. We've come to the #1 sponsorship program where they're offering up to 10,000 of the best pizza in the world. I'm New Haven, Connecticut. This is the place to be and is known for its historic charm, its world-renowned Yale University, and now for giving out some serious cash incentives to new residents. That's right. They're putting their money where their mouth is and investing in their community. They've got this awesome program called the New Haven Homeownership Program, where they're offering up to $10,000 in down payment assistance for eligible home buyers. Can you believe it? $10,000 just to help you buy a house. And that's not all. They've also got programs to help with closing costs and even some sweet tax breaks. New Haven is serious about getting people to move there, and they're not afraid to show it. But even without the financial incentives, New Haven is an amazing place to live. First of all, they've got some of the best pizza in the world. I'm talking about New Haven style of pizza, thin crust, coal-fired, and absolutely delicious. But it's not just about the pizza. New Haven has a vibrant arts and culture scene, beautiful parks and green spaces, and a real sense of community. Plus, it's close to New York City, so you've got all the excitement of the Big Apple just a short train ride away. So, if you're looking for a city with a rich history, a bright future, and some serious cash incentives, look no further than New Haven, Connecticut. This is the place to be. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 places that pay you to live there. From the Italian countryside to the Swiss Alps, from the Alaskan wilderness to the heart of New England, there's a place out there for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start packing your bags and get ready to get paid to live your best life. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which place you'd choose and why. And as always, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.